Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today it is still kind of like beauty related, but we're doing something with my hair today. I'm going to try and dye it. I've gone through lots of different stages of my hair, lots of journeys. Now the last time I tried to dye my hair myself, it ended up going yellow. This was like 8 years ago or something silly like that. Maybe not 8, maybe 6. I don't know. No, it's nearly 8 years ago, I think, about 7 years ago. Anyway, so I've been going to my hairdresser ever since and she's fantastic. Absolutely an amazing hairdresser. I've not been to her in a while, as you can see, look at this regrowth here. But the GYPSY Shrine have released something groundbreaking, okay? They have released colour drops that you add into your conditioner to temporarily colour your hair. So I have bought the GYPSY Shrine Purple Drop It colour drops. And I'm really excited. I've always wanted lilac hair. So, let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, so here is the Shrine Drop It hair colour kit. So the kit contains one 20ml glass drop it bottle, 1 times silicone measuring bowl and 1 times silicone brush. Now, what is fantastic about this, it's cruelty free, it's vegan. There is no single-use plastics in here. Obviously, the box is made of cardboard, so I'm going to use it for storage, to store everything once I've used it, because you can use this product multiple times. And the bottle of the drops is glass, which is widely recycled, or you can, you know, keep the glass jar and put a flower in it or something, I don't know, reuse it at home yourself. And the silicone you can obviously reuse and reuse. So let's open up and have a little look. Now on the side it comes with a drop chart, so it tells you how many drops to put in to your conditioner to kind of get what kind of colour shade you want. I'm gonna do 12, I think, just because, I mean, I would love to go all out and do the 30 drops, but I don't know if my boss would be too happy to go that much of a vibrant purple. So I'm gonna go and stick with more like a light lavender lilac colour to start with, but these contain 200 drops in here, so I'll start with 12, and the next time I do it, if I want to go that little bit more, then I can easily. So here's the silicone mixing bowl and the little brush as well. So I use a silver shampoo on my hair already, so it's kind of got a few like silvery purpley tones in it anyway. It's just my roots, I don't know how well it'll pick up on my roots, but we shall see. So it says on the side of the box, I'm one of a kind. I'm a non-permanent hair colour that you drop into your own conditioner to achieve your perfect shade. From pastels, which is what I'm going for, to deep tones. Use the drop chart below to find your desired shade. Simply add the recommended amount of drops into your own conditioner using the bowl inside. So results are always dependent on hair type. Colour will wash out after 2 to 10 washes depending on the amount of drops used. Please note staining may occur. So how to use me, create your colour. Fill the bowl with any conditioner to the measuring line. Yes, there is a line there. Add desired amount of drops to the conditioner using the recommended drop chart. Using the brush, mix the drops and conditioner together. Now it's ready to apply. Using gloves, I need to go and get some gloves. Apply the mixed conditioner evenly to towel dried hair. Leave for 10 minutes, rinse hair and dry. Next time, increase the intensity by adding more drops, or alternatively use less drops for a subtle shade. The beauty of Drop It is that you can adapt it to your style, creating your perfect colour time and time again. I'm really excited. So this little bottle is where the magic happens. Inside the box you also get this little leaflet. Safety instructions before use. It says to do a patch test. I've had my hair dyed loads and loads and loads of times, So I have tinting done and everything like that, so I'm not going to do my patch test. But if you have very, very, very sensitive skin or a sensitive scalp, or you've never coloured your hair before, then definitely do the patch test, okay? It is recommended by them that you do the patch test. I'm doing this at my own risk. So it's got your safety precautions before use, and it's got your little method here as well. They also have videos all over their social medias, so they've got a YouTube which have demonstrations on there. They've got their Instagram that they do little demonstrations on. So what I'm going to go and do is just run downstairs quickly, get some of my protective gloves, and then I'm going to come up and wash my hair with my usual shampoo, and then I'll show you the application process. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I have washed my hair and just towel dried it and put a brush through it. So let's pop on my gloves. Right, so taking my Shrine mixing bowl and my conditioner, I'm just using the Tresemme Moisture Rich. Right. So I'm just going to fill it up to the line. I have a lot of hair as well, so hopefully this will cover my whole head. Condition it in. Now, I think I'm going to put 15 drops in because I've got so many different tones, like colour tones in my hair. I think I'm going to do 15 drops. Wow. Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Alright, so here is where we are. That's what the drops look like in there. I'm going to take the Shrine brush and just, whoa. Okay, I feel like I may have done 2 bigger drops. Oh, that's so purple! Oh my god. And then we need to section our hair. So I am wearing a very old t-shirt for this as well. Just because it will probably stain. Right, let's go. This is really hard to do. Right, I think I'm just going to ditch the brush, to be honest. That's really tricky to use. I'm just going to pop it on with my hands, I think. I'm also just like massaging into the roots just to make sure we've kind of got everywhere. It'll be really interesting to see how this turns out because I usually have highlights on my hair. So obviously through where we've got the highlights, it'll probably be a lot brighter. And on where it's darker in my hair, it won't be as bright. So hopefully it'll look really nice. Hopefully. I mean, if I don't, I'll just have to wash my hair 10 times until it's all out, right? So I am just going to clip this up and then we leave it for 10 minutes. Defo a good job to wear gloves as well, guys. That's the colour of the gloves normally, and that's the colour of the gloves from doing the hair. Alright, see you in 10 minutes. Okay, it has been 10 minutes, so let's just, you probably can't even see because the lighting isn't very good at this angle, but at first I was like, oh, I put too many drops in, but I think it's going to be just that really nice subtle pastel colour that I was after. So I'm going to wash the colour out and dry it, and then I will show you. Oh. Okay, so here is the colour result. So this colour is gorgeous under here. So I don't know if my hair is lighter here or I just had loads of product to put on underneath, because I don't know if you can see on the top it's not gone like that colour. So I think I need more conditioner and just more drops in order to cover the whole of my hair, just because I have so much hair. It's unbelievable how much hair I have. So next time I'll probably go, I'll do the 20 drops and just mix in more conditioner so I've got plenty of product to reach through the top of my hair as well as underneath, because the underneath is beautiful. Like, it's gorgeous. It's just on the top I think I was kind of running low on product, but I'm really happy with it. I've kind of done like a little mauve shimmery moment on my eyes as well, and I've just got like a little iridescent kind of glitter highlighter there, and I'm really loving just putting some coloured gel through my brows at the moment as well. So I'm just going to pop a few curls through my hair and then I'll show you the final result. Okay, here is the finished look. So yeah, just put some curls through. Obviously it's quite hard for them to kind of stay up, especially when my hair is so heavy and when I've just washed my hair. But just a quick few curls through, and yeah, just added a lipstick. I mean, that has taken so well there. So I'll try again in maybe a week's time and see if we can get this kind of colour all over, or at least going through a bit on the top. But it looks really pretty, I think, anyway. So yeah, I could have done with just a few more drops and more conditioner just because I've got so much hair, but overall I'm very impressed with it, and it's super affordable as well. $12.99 I think, and they do aqua, blue, pink, red and peach as well. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching this little quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification button. I am gonna go and fill my face with some food now, so I shall see you next time. Bye! Oh, that's weird, my hands were doing that. Go at the same time, go at the same time. Bye! They're doing it again!